And were you able to get someone hired?
Yeah.
Were you able to get a lawyer hired?
I talked to 3 lawyers, like you said. I talked to Lori Perezzo, her assistant Catherine. She said 5,000 through 7,000 was their price. I talked to Brittany Holmes, her like face to face.
Mm-hmm.
She said 3,000 to 5,000, and Dustin Garner is the one I'm considering going with. I talked to him through his main cell phone, and he said his prices was 8,500 to 3,500.
Okay. So how long do you think, do you have the money to try to get him hired?
Me and him discussed the case already. I talked to my uncle, which is the one who helps me pay.
Mm-hmm.
He said that I can, get to, I can go for him if that's what I want, but the man, everything he says sounds convincing.
Sure. So if I reset your case one more time, you think y'all will be able to get Mr. Galmore hired?
Yes, ma'am. If not, then I'll have to get a court appointment.
Sure. And so, you did everything. If you think you can afford him, I'll give you about 30 days or so to see if y'all can get that worked out. If not, when you come back, remind me of what you've done, and also talk to some others and bring me those names, because there may be some others that, go ahead.
Sometimes they be a little busy, because I called several ones before that,
They are.
Lori Perezzo, she was busy that day, because I think she was in court all day for criminal days.
Mm-hmm. You just have to keep trying them, but if you get him hired, bring the reset notice to him. If it's not going to work with him, talk to a few others, bring me those names, and then when you come back, we'll talk about a court appointed if that's not going to work out. Okay?
Yes.
All right, step in front of the clerk. She'll give you a reset notice. Kelby Blanchette. Good. Are you Kelby Blanchette?
Yes, ma'am.
And Mr. Blanchette, did you get someone hired?
Yes, ma'am.
Who'd you hire?
White Kendall.
Is he going to be here this morning?
No, ma'am.
Did you pay him money?
Yes, ma'am. He gave me a receipt. I don't think he's gonna get it, but he gave me a receipt.
Huh? He is. So do you still owe him some money? Is that, when are you going to get that paid?
Friday, next Friday.
Okay. So did he say he would, I'm thinking you probably need to get him paid off and then he'll send us the paperwork.
And on like $200.
Right. So what I'm going to do is reset your case one more time. That'll give you time to get him all paid off, and then he can file the paperwork, and then that should take care of it, okay? Make sure you get that done and get a receipt and bring it with you next time, okay?
Can I have excuse for work?
Yes, sir. Ask the clerk. And if you'll make a notate, go ahead. At the bottom, if you'll make a notation that it's right, and then he's already made a payment. Please, ma'am. Kevin Calise. Good morning. Are you Kevin Calise? And Mr. Calise, this is your initial appearance in cause number 24, DCCR 1948. You're charged with theft of property from July 1st of 2024. Since you've made bond in your case, have you had an opportunity to try to hire a lawyer? Did you get someone hired already?
I've talked to somebody, but I'm willing to get somebody hired.
So what I'll do is reset your case about 30 days to give you some time to try to hire somebody.
Oh, yeah.
If you get someone hired before that next court date, just bring the reset notice that you get today to that lawyer and they'll tell you what to do. If you're unable to hire someone before the next court date, then I'm ordering you to visit with at least 3 lawyers. They all charge different amounts. They have different payment plans. Bring me back the names of who you've talked to so I know you're trying, and then we'll discuss your options. If you don't do that, then when you come back, you run the risk of me raising your bond for not following that court order, and you would go back to jail. Do you understand? All right, step in front of the clerk. She'll give you your reset notice. Diamond James. Good morning, ma'am. You're Diamond James. And did you get someone hired? Speak up, please.
No, ma'am.
Who'd you talk to?
I spoke with Kyle Walker. said 7,500, but no payment plans on the down payment.
Okay.
I spoke with his James R. Macon.
Mm-hmm.
They said 7,500 as well. I spoke with Franklin and Associates. 10,000, the minimum is 7,500. 500 every 2 weeks, but the way we work has been going, the hours have not been 8 hours a day, so.
Right. So thank you for doing what I asked you. I'm going to let you fill out some paperwork this morning to see if you qualify for a court-appointed lawyer. You need to fill it out accurately and completely because you're going to swear under oath that it's all true and correct. So put whatever your bills are, whatever your income is, and then I'll take a look at it. If you step in front of the clerk, she'll give you that those instructions. Kingston Walker. When did you ask for a tech? How long? I was about to say that's been 35 minutes. Good morning, you're Kingston Walker? And Mr. Walker, you were previously here and given some time to hire a lawyer. Did you get someone hired?
I spoke to multiple lawyers and I chose a lawyer, but I just need time to afford the payment.
Who'd you talk to?
Burbanks.
Okay, and you're planning on hiring Mr. Burbank?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, so, and you're working?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so what I'll do is reset your case about 30 days to give you some time to see if you can get him hired. If you do, just bring that reset notice that you get today to him in his office and they'll tell you what to do. If for some reason it's not going to work out with Mr. Burbank, then I'm ordering you to visit with at least 3 others. See if one of those works out. If fine, great. If not, bring me those names so I know you're trying, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, step in front of the clerk. She'll give you that reset notice. Tyron Williams. Good morning. You're Tyron Williams?
Yes, ma'am.
And Mr. Williams, did you get someone hired?
Benjamin Jeffries, but I'm still trying to get some money together.
Okay, so you're planning on hiring Mr. Jeffries. Have you made any payments yet or not?
He won't half of it before he started doing it.
Okay, so what I'll do is reset your case about 30 days. Your case is getting old. It's indicted some time ago, and the offense date was obviously early last year, so you need to try to get him hired if you can before that next court date.
Okay.
If it's not going to work for some reason with Mr. Jeffries, make sure you talk to at least 3 other attorneys. And if you can't hire any of those, bring me those names so I know you're trying and we'll discuss your options.
Okay.
Okay, step in front of the clerk, and if you'll put Jeffries on there as well, please. Thanks. Diamond Ollie. Yeah, Summer told me. If you'll call the name Diamond Ollie.
Diamond, Ollie?
I'm just wondering if I need to send an actual text message or something. Did you?
Texted, I called and told them, and then I sent them a and then I texted her since then. She said, there was one shot on the text.
All right, her bond will be forfeited for non-appearance and reset at 100,000. She did call and say she was having car trouble, so if she gets here, just let me know, and I'll recall that. Christian Ainsworth. Good morning, are you Christian Ainsworth?
Yes, ma'am.
And Mr. Ainsworth, did you get someone hired?
I did.
Speak up.
No, ma'am, but I did talk to 3 attorneys.
Who'd you talk to?
The law office of James Macon, attorney Williams, Marcus Wilkerson, and law office of Brittany.
Okay, and where are you on being able to get someone hired?
It's not looking likely, but I mean,
Are you working?
yes, ma'am, I am working.
Okay, where do you work?
Raising Cane's,
Okay. Full-time?
part-time.
All right. What do you do the other part-time?
I was in school, just, right now I'm in school.
You're not in school? Sounds like you need to go get another part-time if you're not in school,
I mean, this one,
right?
this one.
I mean, it'd be great if you were in school.
It would, I was thinking about going back this semester, but my mind hasn't been in the right spot.
Okay. Obviously, you know that that'll help you and get your mind in the right spot if you're, all that extra time you have is doing nothing to get your mind in a better place, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So I'm going to reset your case one more time. See if you can save. Listen,
I feel like, God, say something.
what?
I just put my life on hold with this case. Like, it's been getting reset. And I just,
You want to know why it's getting reset?
because you give me time to find a lawyer.
Right. Go get another job. If you're working part-time, you have time to get another job.
It's not that.
And if you're working 2 jobs and you still can't afford one, I'll give you a court-appointed attorney. But I'm not just going to hand it to you because you're hanging out for 3/4 of the day and working part-time at Raising Cane's.
I work every day, I just don't work. That's all. No excuses.
No excuses. Bring me do 2 things for me. Number 1, try to get more hours there. Bring me a pay stub to show me what you're doing when you come back. Talk to some other attorneys just to see what they charge so you have some options. And see if there's something else out there and just tell me where you've applied for some other jobs, all right? Show me that you're trying harder and then I'll help you. Does that make sense? Step in front of the clerk, she'll give you a reset notice. Krishara Bennett. Good morning, ma'am. You're Krishara Bennett? Miss Bennett, did you get someone hired? Who'd you talk to?
Call Walker,
Okay. And tell me where you are on being able to get somebody hired.
I'm not able to meet the requirements of the payments that they're asking for.
Right.
I do work, but I don't get paid.
Where do you work?
Village Trust for the VA.
Okay. So what I'll do, Ms. Bennett, is have you fill out some paperwork this morning to see if you qualify for a court-appointed lawyer. Make sure you fill it out accurately and completely, whatever your income is, whatever your bills are, and then I'll take a look at it. You're going to swear under oath that it's all true and correct, all right? So if you'll step in front of the clerk, she'll give you that paperwork. Marquise Berry. Marquise Berry. Good morning, you're Marquise Berry, and this is your initial appearance in cause number 25, DCCR 0882. You're charged with aggravated assault with a deadly weapon from April 20th of 2025. Since you've made bond in your case, have you had an opportunity to try to hire a lawyer? Are you working?
No, I'm on bed rest. I'm 7 years old.
Did you bring any documents that show you're on bed rest?
Oh, I don't know. I need to
Okay, so what I'm going to do, Ms. Berry, is I'm going to reset your case for about 2 weeks. You need to bring me some documentation from your doctor that says that you're unable to work right now, okay? And then we'll discuss what your options are. Make sure you bring me back that documentation. Are we here next week? Next week's a normal week. I'm going to reset it 1 week. Get that documentation and bring it back next week. Step in front of the clerk, she'll give you a reset notice. And if you'll make that notation as well, thanks. David Calderon. Good morning, sir. You're David Calderon? And Mr. Calderon, this is your initial appearance in cause number 24, DCCR 1428. You're charged with the state jail felony offense of unauthorized use of a vehicle from May 20th of 2024. And since you've made bond in your case, have you had an opportunity to try to hire a lawyer?
No, ma'am, I haven't had an opportunity. I've actually been working on getting my civics taken care of. And I brought some documentation here to show that.
To get your what taken
My
care of?
civics taken care of as far as like transportation, a job, shelter.
Okay.
Basics. We're just coming, it's probably been like a month or so since we've been out. Probably like a month and a half.
Since you got out of jail?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so what I do, Mr. Calderon, is I'm going to reset your case about 30 days to give you some time to do a couple things. One, if you don't have a job, try to get a job, obviously, but also try to at least talk to some attorneys to see what their prices are. They all charge different amounts. They have different payment plans. I want you to talk to at least 3 lawyers. I also want you to bring me proof of jobs that you have applied to and things like that. Let's see where you are in 30 days. If you follow all those instructions, bring me the information about where you've applied for jobs, if you've gotten a job, who you've talked to, then we'll discuss whether or not, I'll let you fill out the paperwork for a court-appointed lawyer, okay?
I was gonna say, ma'am, I have a paper here showing I just got hired last week at a job, but I also brought
Good.
some documentation to show my financial status right now and what it is that I'm responsible for.
Bring all that back next time, but at least when you bond out, I want you to at least try to hire a lawyer. Okay, if you haven't talked to them, you don't know how much they charge and what your options are, so I want to make sure you do all of that, then we'll discuss your options. Bring all of that also back next time as well, okay?
Can I get a little bit more than a month?
Everybody gets 30 days. Just show me what you've done in 30 days, and then if you need more time after that, if you've done what I asked, then we'll do that.
Yes, ma'am.
But I just do 30 days to make sure everybody keeps doing what they need to, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Step in front of the clerk, she'll give you that reset notice. Derek Mouton?
How you doing?
Good morning, you're Derek Mouton?
Yes, ma'am.
Mr. Mouton, were you able to get someone hired?
No, ma'am, not at the moment. I spoke to somebody about, I want to say, the next 2 weeks, I have somebody out.
Who's that?
Miss Brittany. Miss Brittany.
Miss, you're planning on hiring Miss Holmes, and you can do that within a couple of weeks?
Yes, ma'am, I should be able to do it.
So I'm going to reset your case one more time, a normal reset. That gives you 30 days to get her hired. If you get her hired before then, just bring this reset notice to her so she knows that court date and she'll let you know what to do.
Yes, ma'am.
If it's not going to work out with her, then you need to talk to at least 3 other attorneys and bring me those names when you come back. Okay?